you are holding onto those damaged, dry ends like a toxic ex. Cut that ish off.
Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep beep. I don't care about you, I just care about me. So you better run.
Oh, hi guys, it's me again, and I'm back with another video showing you guys how I do my silk presses using Olaplex products. Let's get started. So I parted my hair into 4 sections and I applied the first part of them of the Olaplex system, which was the number 0 product. I was actually quite confused as to the role of this product in the system because it just felt like I was applying water, and yeah, I'm not entirely sure I like the application of this product because I had to literally squeeze the living heck out of this bottle to get enough product on my low porosity hair. So I would definitely suggest that if you are going to use this product, make sure you use it with a spray bottle. And then moved on to the number 3. And yeah, I really did like the way it made my hair feel. It made my hair feel really soft. So I went on to use number 4, which was a shampoo. Oh my gosh, guys, the shampoo is freaking amazing. It left my hair so soft. And I was actually able to, finger detangle the hair. I didn't leave my hair stripped. And then I used number 5, the conditioner. Okay, I've got a bit of a gripe with this one. I just didn't think that the conditioner left my hair, or gave my hair the slip that I'm used to. So I had to recruit, the other big guys, my other conditioners, just to give the little guy a little bit of a help. But perhaps it's just not for me. I think it's a great initial conditioner where you put it on your head and you add your other conditioners to it. It works a lot more better than a standalone conditioner. Okay, so moving on to the leave-in conditioner. This is the Bond Smoother. Oh my gosh, guys, my hair felt so smooth and so soft when I used this. It was absolutely amazing. It'll be a good leave-in conditioner for wash and goes, twist outs, or even braid outs. Okay, so I started to blow dry my hair. Alongside the leave-in conditioner, I also used the Kenra blow dry spray. Absolutely amazing product. And as you can see, I believe I've tried every single freaking blow dry attachment that exists on this planet, and I just haven't been able to find anything that actually properly attaches to this blow dryer. So you know what I did? I used some good heavy duty adhesive tape and I stuck that shit on, and it works. Onto the flat ironing process. So I used a Theory iron. This is absolutely the best iron ever. Unfortunately, this company no longer sells irons, which is so heartbreaking. But yeah, so I used this one and I used it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So I did 2 passes at my roots and then 2 passes down the length of my hair. Okay, so on to trimming these atrocious ends. They look absolutely crazy. Like I haven't had a trim in like over 4 months. So yeah, I definitely needed it.
Some of you're claiming BSL, but really and truly, you're shoulder length. So if you're there, you got thin ends. Take your scissors and chop it off.
Okay, so that's it, guys. These are my silk press results. I am loving my hair. My hair feels so good and so soft. Can y'all see the shine? Can y'all see it swinging? Yes. And most importantly, my ends are in better health. So yeah, so my final verdict on the Olaplex line is that I now, having my hair straightened, I think I really understand the benefits of actually using the whole entire system. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe, okay?